Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to get your boarding pass in Cebu Pacific. Okay, so first is we are going to visit the official Cebu Pacific website. So here, let me just type out cebupacificair.com, and then you can also open the mobile application. And then after that, you just have to click on the checked in or manage booking. So we have that right here. So we have the checked in option. That's right. And here, online check in usually opens 24 hours after 1 hour before your flight. So, since we don't have any available flights for check in, but still, I'm going to discuss to you the process, okay? So, after that, you have to enter your details, type your booking reference number, and your last name. And once you've logged in, you'll see the flight details. Okay, we can also go here to the manage booking just to show you here the where you can type out your booking reference number and the last name or email. Okay, and then after that, follow the steps to confirm your flight. You may be asked confirm passenger details, choose or confirm your seat, accept travel reminders. Then after that, you'll be able to see the checked in or confirm option, and then you can get your boarding pass. Once checked in is successful, your boarding pass will appear on screen, so you can choose to download it as PDF, take a screenshot of your phone, or send it to your email. And then, if you have checked baggage, you still need to go to the bag drop counter. If you're hand carry only, you can proceed straight to the security using the boarding pass. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.